Cross-training. The key to fitness variety and optimal performance. You know you are getting old when the candles cost more than the cake. Bob Hope. Cross-training has become increasingly popular in the fitness world as individuals seek diverse and well-rounded exercise routines. Rather than sticking to a single form of exercise, cross-training involves incorporating a variety of activities into one's workout regimen to achieve comprehensive fitness benefits. From improving cardiovascular health and building strength to preventing injury and overcoming plateaus, cross-training offers numerous advantages for individuals of all fitness levels. In this video, we'll drill into the concept of cross-training, its benefits, key principles, and practical strategies for implementing a cross-training routine to enhance overall fitness and performance. Understanding cross-training. Cross-training refers to the practice of engaging in multiple forms of exercise or physical activities to achieve a balanced and comprehensive fitness regimen. Rather than focusing exclusively on one type of exercise, such as running or weightlifting, cross-training incorporates a variety of activities that target different muscle groups, energy systems, and movement patterns. This diversity not only prevents boredom and monotony but also promotes overall fitness, functional strength, and athletic performance. Key benefits of cross-training. Improved cardiovascular health. Cross-training involves a combination of aerobic, anaerobic, and cardiovascular exercises, such as running, cycling, swimming, and rowing. By engaging in diverse cardiovascular activities, cross-training enhances heart health, increases aerobic capacity, and improves circulation and endurance. Balanced muscle development. Different forms of exercise target specific muscle groups and movement patterns. Cross-training helps prevent muscular imbalances by working a variety of muscles in different ways, promoting balanced muscle development and reducing the risk of overuse injuries. Enhanced strength and power. Incorporating strength training exercises, such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance training, into a cross-training routine builds muscular strength, power, and endurance. By challenging muscles from different angles and with varying resistance levels, cross-training optimizes strength gains and functional capacity. Injury prevention. Overuse injuries are common among individuals who engage in repetitive activities or sports-specific training. Cross-training reduces the risk of overuse injuries by distributing the workload across different muscle groups and movement patterns, allowing for adequate recovery and minimizing strain on vulnerable areas. Increased flexibility and mobility. Cross-training incorporates activities that promote flexibility, mobility, and range of motion, such as yoga, Pilates, and dynamic stretching. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you can improve joint health, reduce stiffness, and enhance overall mobility and functional movement patterns. Enhanced mental well-being. Physical activity has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits, including stress reduction, mood enhancement, and improved cognitive function. Cross-training offers variety and novelty, keeping workouts engaging and enjoyable while promoting mental clarity, focus, and emotional well-being. Plateau prevention and performance improvement. Regularly switching up your workout routine with cross-training prevents plateaus and promotes continual progress and performance improvement. By challenging your body in new ways and adapting to different stimuli, you can break through fitness plateaus and achieve new levels of strength, endurance, and athleticism. Key principles of cross-training. Variety. Incorporate a diverse range of activities into your cross-training routine, including cardiovascular exercises, strength training, flexibility training, and functional movement exercises. Mix and match activities based on your preferences, goals, and fitness level to keep workouts fresh and engaging. Progression. Gradually increase the intensity, duration, and complexity of your cross-training workouts over time to continue challenging your body and achieving optimal results. Progression ensures that you continue to adapt and improve while minimizing the risk of overtraining or injury. Balance. Maintain a balance between different types of exercises and activities to ensure comprehensive fitness development. Include both aerobic and anaerobic exercises, upper and lower body movements, and exercises that target different muscle groups and movement patterns. Recovery. Allow adequate time for rest and recovery between cross-training sessions to prevent overtraining and promote muscle repair and regeneration. Incorporate active recovery activities, such as light stretching, foam rolling, or low-intensity exercise, to enhance circulation and alleviate muscle soreness. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your cross-training routine accordingly. Rest and recover when needed, and modify exercises or intensity levels to accommodate fatigue, soreness, or injury. Prioritize safety and injury prevention in your approach to cross-training. Practical strategies for cross-training. Create a balanced workout schedule. Plan a weekly workout schedule that includes a mix of cardiovascular, strength training, flexibility, and functional movement exercises. Distribute activities evenly throughout the week, allowing for rest days and recovery as needed. Mix and match activities. Experiment with different types of exercises and activities to keep workouts varied and engaging. Try new sports, classes, or workout modalities to challenge your body and expand your fitness repertoire. Incorporate cross-training into your daily routine. Integrate cross-training activities into your daily life by incorporating active transportation, such as walking or cycling, into your commute, or incorporating physical activities into social outings, such as hiking, dancing, or playing recreational sports with friends. Set specific goals. Define clear, measurable goals for your cross-training routine, such as improving endurance, increasing strength, or mastering a new skill. Break down larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones and track your progress over time to stay motivated and accountable. Seek professional guidance. Consult with fitness professionals, such as personal trainers, coaches, or physical therapists, for personalized guidance and support in designing a cross-training program that meets your needs and goals. Invest in proper instruction and technique to ensure safe and effective workouts. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to different types of exercises and activities. Adjust your training intensity, duration, and frequency based on your energy levels, recovery status, and any signs of fatigue or discomfort. Prioritize rest, recovery, and self-care to maintain balance and prevent burnout. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to success in cross-training. Make exercise a regular part of your routine by scheduling dedicated workout times, setting reminders, and prioritizing physical activity as a non-negotiable aspect of your daily life. Cross-training offers a holistic approach to fitness that combines variety, balance, and progression to achieve comprehensive health and performance benefits. By incorporating a diverse range of activities into your routine, you can improve cardiovascular health, build strength and power, prevent injuries, and enhance overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to enhance performance or a beginner seeking to improve fitness and mobility, cross-training offers something for everyone. Embrace the principles of variety, progression, balance, and recovery as you design and implement a cross-training routine that supports your goals and aspirations. With dedication, consistency, and a willingness to explore new challenges, you can unlock the transformative potential of cross-training and achieve optimal fitness and vitality for life. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.